Hello everyone, let's make some eggs over easy. I have a non-stick pan here heating. I'm gonna add a little bit avocado oil. I have 5 eggs that I'm gonna be making, and I'm gonna add a little bit of this. Even though it's non-stick, this helps to take out easily. I'm gonna add 1 egg at a time. This one. 5 eggs here. 3, 4, and I will put that one. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. And the 5th one in the middle. It's the light. I thought that was a shell. No, it's the light. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this for a few minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna cover this for a few minutes. So let's check. So it's on medium heat. I cook for like 1 minute. Oh, it depends on your stove. Mine is a commercial stove, so I'm gonna cover it for another maybe 1 minute. So it's been 1 minute. It is ready now. Check that out. I like my yellow part little runny, so this is perfect. So, you can add salt and pepper if you want. I didn't add red. You can add any flavoring in here. Salt and pepper with it. This is delicious. So this is how you make over easy eggs. My way, my style. Try it and see. It's really good. It's delicious. I added some salt and pepper to mine. Look at that. That is delicious. This is really good. This eggs over easy. Try it and see. It's delicious.